Hello! In this video, we'll learn how to sign up for BYBIT using your phone. Click See More at the bottom of the video you're watching to find a link to sign up for BYBIT. If you sign up using this link, you'll immediately receive the commission payback benefit, so please sign up using the link. Choose either your email address or phone number to sign up. I'll use my email address. Please enter your email address in the blank space. You'll need to create a password which has 4 requirements. It must be between 8 and 30 characters, contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Create a password by checking the checkboxes on the left. If all the checkboxes are checked, you'll see the referral code below. Make sure the code you entered matches the screen. If it's different or missing, enter the code exactly as shown. Once you've entered and verified it, check the checkbox below and click the yellow button. A verification code has been sent to the email address you entered. Once you've received the verification code and entered it, your BYBIT account will be complete. Now, let's download the BYBIT app and verify your identity. Search for and download the BYBIT app on the App Store or Play Store. Log in with your registered information and click Verify Now in the center. Click the yellow button below to begin. Select your country of residence and then choose your ID. Prepare your ID, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. Please allow the camera to be used for verification. You must take a clear photo of your ID. Previously used IDs cannot be used. Verification is not possible for those under 18 years of age. Follow the instructions and take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Next, take a photo of your face. Follow the on-screen instructions to place your face within the circle. Once you've completed this process, verification will begin, which should take a few minutes. Now, let's proceed with two-step verification. First, click the person-shaped icon in the upper left corner. Click on Security, and you'll see Google two-step verification at the bottom. Tap the gray switch to send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number. Check the verification code and enter it. Press Continue to display a key consisting of letters and numbers. Copy this key. Now, search for Google OTP on the App Store or Play Store and install it. Log in with your Google account. Click Add Code and select Enter Setup Key. This will bring up a screen where you can enter your account name and key. Enter BYBIT in the upper field and paste the copied key in the lower field. If a 6-digit code appears for a limited time, as shown on the screen, registration is successful. Enter this 6-digit code into the BYBIT app before the timer runs out on the right side, and Google two-step verification will be activated. You'll see the switch turn yellow. This concludes the process of signing up for BYBIT using your phone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you!